I don't only wanna get the job done. I don't know a nigga that can cover for me. Yeah, got some game from my dad.
Hello, happy Tuesday afternoon. It's Sneaker Freak 127 here to give you a preview of a couple restorations and customizations we are doing. The first one up is for Mike. And what we're going to do is restore his Aqua 8s. You can see some cracking on the paint.
You can't blame me for wondering. Doesn't matter, could be winter or the summer on the road. I do one direction numbers, I don't fucking
Alright, to repair those or to restore those, we've got the collector's editions from Angelus, however you pronounce this. The Aqua and the Concord 8, which are the exact colorways used for the factory paint for those. We've also got my personal kicks, the 11 low Snakeskins from 2014 this year, and I'm going to turn these, paint these puppies black. Do that. Get your Angelus black. For both of these, well, for this, I'm going to take a coin and scratch off the paint. You can also do acetone, very thin on a Q-tip swab to try and clear it off, so it's not 2 layers of paint once you're trying to do it. And then you can paint this part purple with the Concord, part aqua. We've already cleaned the upper using Jason Mark and the Air Legends Premium Cleaner. So the top part looks pretty solid, and then once we clean everything else up, we'll paint everything else, we'll go again with another cleaning of this way. Slash new book. This pretty much you can check out our Instagram for some pictures for the infrared 23 loads that we did. But for these, you just tape. Make sure you gotta edge it up. This part, just so this part doesn't turn white or doesn't turn black from the black paint. Get a thin layer. And then you want to make sure that the detail of this snakeskin still shows up. So thin coat. You're gonna have to finish off this one with an acrylic matte coat so it stays glossy and paint stays on there and doesn't chip. So once we paint that, we'll do a couple layers of the spray, and that'll be pretty much restored to almost looking pretty new. Stay tuned for some updates. Follow us on Instagram. www.soulsurvivor.us is the website. Sneaker Freak 127 on IG, and Real Soul Survivor is the company. Alright guys, have a great day. Hump day tomorrow. Let's get it.